Hi guys, showed you I picked this up in a charity shop. Don't know how much I paid for it because it was one of those things, 3 for £1 or something like that. Been playing with it on the floor and this little lever doesn't come up and down very freely, so it's a bit intermittent on when it does its clever little tricks. So I thought I'd just have a look inside if we can lever it apart and see if it needs cleaning. Let's just change that to a different bit. Okay. Lovely, isn't it? Oh, I can see, I think, why it's not going up and down properly. Because it should be against that white cam. And it's not. That cam must have slipped along a little bit. That's all it is. It's just gravity that is in operation here. There's no spring to make it go up and down. But when that cam pushes against it, that makes sure it pushes down, lifts one side off so the beetle will turn around. That's lovely though, isn't it? All metal gears. It's always tempting to spray lots of oil on it and that sort of thing, but all the oil does is collects dust. If it's running all right, I would leave it alone. Now that we know it's just that cam, should be pushing against there. Yeah, so when it's flat in that position, that leg can push itself up out the way. Just the weight of the beetle itself would push that out of the way. And when it's moved around like that, it will be pushing itself down, lifting one side off the ground. Yeah. Oh well. Nothing much to do there. So it's very tempting to spray oil on it. I've watched videos of proper clock repair people, and they do put the mechanism into a bath of well, something that actually takes the oil and grease off it, so completely removes any oil and grease, and then they re-oil it with proper clock oil or bearing oil. But as I say, just adding oil to it now will probably just encourage dust to collect. While we're looking at it, just another little feature. I was talking about a pullback motor recently and the idler gear, which for this one is this gear here. As you turn it that way, I don't know if you can see it moves in the slot, lifts out of the way, so it's not actually making contact with the gear on the axle. But when you release it, this gear here moving in that direction then pushes that gear back into place. Just want to see if we can actually film this moving and watch that white cam turning, so we can see which direction the beetle goes, depending on what angle that cam is. And as far as I can tell, when it's horizontal, the beetle should go straight. There's a little bit horizontal, now it's turning. Horizontal, turn, horizontal, turn, horizontal, straight. Yeah. I don't know if we're catching this clearly on the camera. I'm hoping it's in focus. That'll do.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.